Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class, I have done exercise 10D. So today, 10E I have done. Exercise 10E I have done. So today I shall start exercise 10F. Okay. So you see the first question. Number 1, 0.8 divided by 0.2. So in the last class, we have seen or we have discussed, I have discussed what we are dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Okay, but in this class in this exercise we will discuss how to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, so you see the first question, number 1, 0.8 divided by 0.2. Okay, 0.8 divided by 0.2. Okay, 0.8 divided by 0.2. So you see, first we have to remove the decimal point from them. Okay, so how to remove, we have already done in the earlier classes how to remove the decimal. So you see, again I am doing. Okay, you see, first you omit the point, then it will become what, 0.8, and 0.8 I can write directly what, 0, 8, 0.8 I can write directly what, 8. This 8 will be the numerator of this fraction. Now how to make denominator? For point you put 1. Okay, after that you count how many digits are there after the decimal point. Here you see 0.8, that means 1 digit is there after the decimal point. So for 1 digit we'll put 1 0. If 2, then 2 zeros. If 3, then 3 zeros, like this. Okay, here we'll give division symbol. After that 0 2, if I omit point, then it will become what, 0 2, and 0 2 I can write what, directly 2. Okay, then the numerator will become 2 and the denominator will be what, for point we'll put 1, and you see after the decimal point there is only one digit, so 1 0. Okay, now you see 8 by 10, and this type of division we have done already in the earlier classes in the fraction chapter. Okay, so how to change, you just, in place of division you just replace this with multiplication. Okay, and interchange the fraction, that means you make the denominator as numerator. Okay, and numerator as denominator. Okay, now you see, if you get both the numerator and denominator are same, so you can cancel this one. 10 1s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. Now you see, you can cancel this one also. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4 into 1 means 4 and 1 into 1 means 1. So 4 by 1 means what, 4. You can directly write what, 4, and that is your answer. Okay, now come to B. 1.2 divided by 0.3. Okay, so as like earlier, 12 divided by 10, because one place here, 3 divided by 10. Again you interchange, then 10 it will become 10 by 3. Okay, so again you can cancel this one, and 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So again the answer is what, 4. Okay, now come to C. Question number C. Here you see 5.6. 5.6 divided by what, 0.7. 0.7. So you can give like this, 56 by 10 divided by 7 by 10. Now you interchange, then 56 by 10 into 10 by 7. So you can cancel 10, 10, then 7 1 are 7, 7, 8 are 56. So what you got? 8. Therefore you write, or you can write, not therefore you write, equals to 8. Okay. So that is the answer of first question. Now come to 2. 2 you see 3.15 divided by 1.5. Okay, so you omit point, then it will become 315 by 100. Here you see 100 because after the decimal point here what? 2 digit 1 and 5. So we'll put 2 zeros. Then division. After that 15. Then it will become what? 10. Because after the decimal point 1 digit is there. So 10. So you can write what? 315 divided by 100 into, in place of division, into then 10 by 15. Okay. Now you can cancel. Okay. Now you see you can cancel with 5. 5 3 are 15. Okay. And 5 6 are what? 5 6 are 30 and 1 remain. Here you see 31. So 5 6 are 30 and here 31. So 1 remain. So we'll take 1 near to the 5. Then it will become what? 15. You don't add it. 5 plus 1 6. You don't add it. You just take near to 5. Then it will become what? 15. So 15 you can cancel. 5 3 are 15. Okay. Then that means 5 63 are 315. Now again you can cancel with 3. 3 1 are 3. 3 2 are 6. And again here remain what? 1. So 3 1 are 3. That means 3 21 are 63. Now you see in the numerator it is only 21 and in the denominator it's remain what? 10. So this also we have already done in the earlier classes. If we see the denominator as a multiple of 10, then what? You see there is only 1 0. So the point will come before 1 digit in the answer. That means 2.1 will be the answer. If 2 zeros, then before 2 digit. If 3 zeros, then before 3 digit. Okay. So that is the answer. Now come to B. To B you see 3.852 divided by 1.8. Okay. So we can write 3852 divided by, here you see 1 2 3, 3 zeros. We'll put 3 zeros and for point we'll put what? 1. Okay. Divided by, here 18 by only 10 because after point 1 digit. So you now interchange the right fraction. 3852 divided by 1000 into 10 by 18. Okay. Now you can cancel 1 0 1 0. Okay. Now you see 9 2s are, you cancel with 2. Okay. 9 2s are 18. Here again if we cancel with 2, then 2 1s are 2. Here remain what? 1. So if we take to right side, then 18. 9 2s are 18. Here remain what? 5. Then 2 2s are 4. Here remain 1. So if you take it, then 12. Then 6 2s are 12. 1926. Now let us check whether you can cancel with 3 or not. Because if you cancel with 3, then we can cancel 9 and this one also. So let us check. 3 3s are 9. And you see 18. So 3 6 are 18. Here remain what? 1. So if you take here, then 12. Then 3 4s are 12. And here remain 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Let us check again with 3. 3 1s are 3. and 642. Then 3 2s are 6. Here remain 4. So 3 1s are 3 and 12. 3 4s are 12. That means 214. So in the numerator we got 214. So 214. And in the denominator we got what? Only 100. And all have been cancelled. 100. Okay. So in the last test we have done what? 10. So for that reason the point has been put before one digit. Here 2 zeros. That means 1 2 before 2 digit. That means here the point will come. So we'll write 2.14. Okay. 2.14. 2.14 is the required answer. Now come to question number C. 2C. Question number 2C. Question number 2C, you check. Zero point 0552 divided by 2.4. Okay. So you omit this one. If you omit this point, then 00552. So directly I can write what? 552. Okay. So 552 divided by what? 1 2 3 4. That means 40. And for point we'll put what? 1. Okay. Division symbol, then 24 by only 10, because after point 1 digit. So now you interchange. Okay. 4 zeros into 10 by 24. Okay. So you cancel 10 10. Okay. Then you cancel 12 2s are. That means I cancel with 2. Okay. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Now this one with again with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 1. 2 7s are 14 and 2 6 are 12. 276. Okay. 276. Now again 6 2s are 12. Again here I can 2 1s are 2. Here 7. 2 3s are 6. 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay. 138. Again you can cancel. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12 and 1 6 9s are 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now you can cancel again with 3. 3 1s are 3. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 23. Okay. 23. Now you see in the numerator you got what? 23, and in the denominator what? 1000. So here 3 digits, so the point will come before 3 digit, but in the numerator we have seen that this is 2 digits. So by adding 0 we will make it 3 digit. After that we will put point. That means first we will write 23 and 1 2 3, then 1 2 3. That means here no digit is there, so we will put 0. After that we will put point. Okay. That is the answer. 0.023 is the required answer. Okay. Now come to question number 3A. You see 3A what? 1 1 8 8.3 divided by 0.13. 8.3 divided by 0.13. So 1183 divided by what? 10 only, because after decimal 1 digit, divided by 13 divided by 100, because here 2 digit after the decimal point. So 1183 by 1183 by what? 10 into 100 by 13. Okay, so if you cancel, then 10 tens are 100. Now you cancel with 13. Okay, so 1183 into 10 by 13. So you cancel this one with 13. Okay, let us check with 9. So you see, if you cancel with 13, then we'll get what? 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are 117. So here 118 remain what? 1. So we'll take to the right side, then it will become 13. Then 13 ones are 13. Okay, I can write 13 ones are 13. So 91. So we are getting what? 91 into 10. That means 910 is the required answer. Okay. Now come to question number B. 3B. Zero 0.5 divided by 0.025. Okay, so as like earlier, you can write 5 by 10 here 3, so we'll put 3 zeros, then we'll write 25. Then you see 5 by 10 into 1000 by 25. So if we cancel, then it will become like this: 10 ones are 10 and 2 zeros. It means 100. Right? What? 100. Now you see 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Now you cancel 5 with 100, 5 20s are 100. Then you are getting what? Only 20. That is the answer. Okay. Now come to question number 3C. That means 149. That means 14.9 divided by what? 0.64. Okay. So you see 149 divided by 10 only, because one place is there. Here 2 place. So 100 and you write 64. Now you interchange, then it will become like this: 149 by 10 into what? 100 by 64. Okay. Now you 10 tens are 100. Okay. You can write 149 into 10 divided by what? 64. Now you divide this one. Okay. If you divide this one, then you will get like this. You divide 64 with 149, or you can divide like this: 1490 divided by 64. That means if you multiply, then you will get 1490. So divide 1490 by 64. Okay, let us check. 64 2s are how much come? 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 124, and 3s are 64 into 3. What comes? 3 2s are 6, and 3 6 are 186. 186. So we are getting what? 186, which crosses 149. So 64 2s are what? 64 2s are 124. Okay. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 what? 5. Okay. 9 minus 4 5. Here remain 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So 25, it is not divisible. So we'll take what? 0. Okay. Now let us check with 250. Here 186 with 3. So let us check 62 into 4. Then what come? 4 2s are 8 and 6 4s are 24. 46. Okay. Two 48. So let us check again. 60 over here. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 5. Here remain 4. 4 minus 2. 2. 25 not divisible. So we'll take what? 250. Now let us check with what? 64. 64 into 2. How much come? 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 128. Okay. Let us check again. 1490 with 64. Okay. 1490 64. Okay. Then if I take 149, then 64 into, yes, 64 into 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. Yes, 128. Okay. Earlier I have written 62, I think. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. 128. Here 149. So 64 into 3, 4 3s are 12 and remain 1. And 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. 192. Okay. So it crosses what? 149. So we'll write 6 2s are 64. Okay. 64. 2s are what? 128. Okay. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 2 2. 221. So it is not divisible. So we'll take what? At 0. 210. Now let us check with here 64 into 3. We are getting 192. Now we'll check with 4. 4 4s are 16 and 1. 6 4s are 24 and 1 25. 256. So we'll put with 3. We'll get 192. Okay. Then here 10 minus 2 8. Here remain what? 0. So we'll take here 1. So it will become what? 10. 10 minus 9 what? 1. And here 1 minus 1 0. So we'll not put 0 in the left side. So 18. Now you see 18 is not divisible. So we'll put what? Point. Then we'll take 1 0. Now check for 180. Here you see 192 with what? 3. So we'll put 2 like this. 264 is 128 and 3 it crosses 192, it crosses 180. So for that reason we cannot write 64 into 3. So with 2 what we are getting here? What? 10. 10 minus 8 2. Here remains 7. 7 minus 2 5. Okay. Now here 52. So point is there. We'll put what? 1 0. Now 520. Okay. 520. So now let us check with here remain what? 10. Okay. So here remain what? 10. 10 minus 8 what? 2. Okay. Then here remain 7. 7 minus 2 5. Okay. 52. So point is there. We'll put what? 0. Now let us check for 520. So 64 into 4 we have checked with 5. Let us check 5 4 are 20, 5 6 are 30, 32. That means what? 320. Here 520. So let us check with 6 4 hand remain 2. 6 is are 36, 37, 38, 384. So into 7, 8 hand remain 2, 42, 43, 44. Okay, 448 and 520. Now let us check with 64 into 8 at 2 hand remain 3, 512. With 8 what we are getting? 12. Okay, so 512 here, 520. So we will write with 8 what we are getting? 512. Okay, now here you see, here remain what? 10, 10 minus 2, again what? 8. Okay, again 8. Here remain what? 1. So 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 5 0, again not possible. Okay, so point is there, we'll put what? 0, 80. Okay, now 64 into 2 how much? 128. So 64 1 are 64. Okay, after that you again subtract, then we'll get 10 minus 4 what? 6. Okay, here remain what? 7, 7 minus 6 here 1, 6, 16. So it is not possible, so point is there, we'll put again 0. Okay, we'll put again 0. Then 64 2s are what? 128. Okay, 128. Here what? 10, 10 minus 8 2. Okay, so 10 minus 8 2. Here remain what? 5, 5 minus 2 3, 320. That means 32. So it is not possible, so point is there, will bring what? 0. Now we can write with what? 5. 5 64s are what? 5 64s are 320. 20. Okay, so that is the answer. So we got what? 23.28125. 28125. 23.28125. So you can write after then 23.28125. That is the answer. 23.28125. 23.28125. Okay, so that is the answer of 3C. Okay, now come to question number 4. 4A. What you are getting? 6 divided by 0.4. So this one is a whole number, so no need of changing, we'll just change this one. 0.4, that means 4 I can write, and after point there is one decimal point, so we'll put 1 0, and for point we'll put 1. Then I can write what? 6. Will interchange the fraction 10 by 4. Okay, now you see 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, again 2 5s are 10, and 3 into 5, 3 into 5, that means 15. Okay, 15 is the required answer. Okay, now come to question number 4B. 4B, what we are getting? 4B, 15 divided by 0.05. Okay, so write 15 divided by, here 2 places, so 2 zeros, and for point we'll put 1, so we can write 5. Now you interchange 15 into 100 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 into 100 means 300. 3 into 100 means 300. Okay. Now come to C. C is what? You see 147 divided by what? 147 divided by 0.14. Okay. So you see 147 divided by what? Divided by 14 by 100, because after point there is 2 places. Okay. Now 147 into 100 by 14. Okay. So we'll get like this. 14. Okay. 147. So if you divide, then you get 14700 divided by 14. Okay. You can cancel like this. 14 1s are 14. Here 14 1s are 14. Here 7. 14 1s are 14. Or you can cancel with 7 also. 7 2s are 47. 7 1s are 7. You can cancel with the small. Okay. Like this with 7. 7 2s are 14 and 7 2s are 14, and here what? Here remain what? 7. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now you see, you can divide this one 50. Okay. 50 2s are 100. Now you can multiply this one. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. That means if you multiply 21 into 50, then you will get 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Here remain 1 0. That means that is the answer. 1050 is the required answer. Okay. Now come to 5. 5a, what is written? 6 divided by 0.8. Okay. That means I can write 6 divided by 8 by 10. So I can write 6 into 10 by 8 as like earlier. So you cancel 2 3s are 2 4s are. Okay. Now 2 2s are 2 5s are. So 3 5s are 15. 3 into 5 by 2. That means what? 15 by 2. 15 by 2. If you cancel, then you'll get like this. 2 divided by 15. Then 2 7s are 14. Hand remain 1.0. 2 5s are 10. So 7.5. Okay. So answer is 7.5. Okay. Now come to C. 5b. 5b, you see what? It is written 9 divided by 1.25. That means 9 divided by 125 divided by 100, because here after decimal 2 places there, so 2 zeros. So 9 into 100 by 125. Okay. Now if you cancel, then you'll get the answer. Okay. You cancel this one with 5. 5 25 jar 125, and 5 20 jar 100. Now you can cancel 5 5 jar 25, 5 4 jar 20. Okay. So 9 4 jar 9 into 4 divided by 5. That means what? 36 divided by 5. So 36 divided by 5. That means 5 6 are 30. Here remain what? 6. So 6 1 jar 6 Yes. Nine divided by 1.25. Okay. Let us check again. 100. So 9 into 100 by 125. Okay. 525 jar 125. 520 jar 100. Again 5 jar. So if we take, then let us check the question. 10f we are dividing with 9, 1.25. Okay. Let us check we have done mistakes or not. Let us do again this one. 9 divided by 1.25. 9 divided by, you get what? 125 divided by what? 100. Then 9 into 100 by 125. Okay. As we cancel, then 25. Okay. And if you cancel with 5, then you are getting what? 525 jar. Okay. And 520 jar. Okay. Then again what? 5 jar and 5 what? 4 jar. Now again what? 9 into 4 by 5. Okay. Again what we are getting? 36 by 5. Okay. So 5 7 jar 35. Here remain what? 1. So we'll put point and take 1 0. Then 5 2 jar 10. So answer will be what? 7.2 is the answer. Okay. 7.2 is the required answer. Now come to question number C. Now come to C. 15 divided by 0.048. Okay. So 15 divided by, if we omit this point, then it will become only 48. 0 0 will not count. Then 1 2 3. 1 2 3. And 4 point we'll put 1. Okay. Then 15 into 1,000,000 divided by 48. Okay. Now you cancel. Okay. You write this one 15,000,000 divided by 48. Now we cancel this 48. What you will get answer? Okay. You check. 48 15,000. Okay. So check for 48 150. 48 into 2 96. 48 into 3 144. That means into 3 we can write 144. So here remain what? 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here remain what? 5, 4 minus 4, 0, 6. Not divisible, so we'll take 60. So 60 in place of 60. 48 to 96, so we'll put 1. 48. Okay. After that here 10 minus 8, 2. Here remain what? 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 12 not divisible, so we'll take what? 20. Okay. Now 3 jar 144 and 2 jar 96. 48 2 jar 96. 48 3 jar 144. So 2 jar 196. Oh sorry, only 96. Okay. Then here remain what? You write this one like this. 48 3 jar 144. Okay. After that you write this one like this. Here what? 6. Okay. 60. Then 1. Then 48. Here remain what? 10. 10 minus 8 what? 2. Here remain 5. 5 minus 4 1. So not divisible, so we'll take this 0. 120. So 48 3 jar 144 and 48 2 jar 96. So 2 jar 96. Okay. Then here 10 minus 6 4. Here remain what? 1. So 11 minus 2 24. Again also not divisible. Now we shall put point and we'll put what? 0. 240. Then 48 into 4. Let us check. 192. Now let us check with 5. 5 4 jar 5 8 jar 40 and remain 4 and 5 4 jar 20. 424. That means 240 we are getting with what? 5. So we'll write 5 here. 240. That means if I divide, then we'll get what? This answer. 3112.5. Okay. So this is the end of 10F, exercise 10F. Now we shall start exercise 10G. Okay. 10F we have done all the questions. Now 10F, 10G. Okay, new exercise. So here you see again we have to divide. Okay, now both the numbers are whole. You see number 1 4 divided by 5. So you see how to divide. You write 4 then divided by 5, then 4 1 jar 4. Okay, 5 minus 4 1. So 1 is not divisible, so we'll put 1 point and we'll bring 1 0 here. Okay. Okay, then sorry, 4 divided 5. Sorry, we have to divide by 5. We have to divide by 5. The divisor is 5. Okay, here you see we cannot divide the dividend because the dividend is smaller. So we'll put 1 point. Okay, and we'll bring 1 0. Then 5 8s are 40. Okay, that is the answer. Now come to B. Okay, now come to B. So here the answer is what? 0.8. Now come to B. B is what you see? 3 divided by 12. Then 12 we divide by 3, then you'll get, you see we cannot divide, so we'll put what? 1 point. Okay, then we'll bring 1 0. Okay, then 12 to the 24 and 12 to the 36. So here 10 minus 4 what? 6. Okay, so point is there, so we'll put what? 0. And here even 2 minus 2 0, so we cannot put 0 in the left side. So here 60, then 5, 12 are 60. Okay, and you can write 0.25. Okay, now come to C. 154 divided by 28. Okay, then 28 154, then 28 to the, let us check with 28 to the how much? 8 to the 16, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, 56, and 28 3 are what? 2, 3 to the 6 7 8, 84. Okay, now let us check with 28 into 5, 40, 0 and 4, 5 to the 10, 14, 1, 46, and 28 into 6, let us check, 6 and 4, 6 to the 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 168. So it crosses for 6, so we'll put with 5, then we'll get what? 5 28 are 146, 146. Okay, and 14 minus 6, 8. Okay, then here remain what? 4, 4 minus 4 0, here 1 minus 1 0. Okay, now we'll put 1 point, then we'll bring 1 0. Now let us check 28 2s are 56, 28 3s are 84, so 28 2s are 56. Now here 10 minus 6 4, here remain what? 7, 7 minus 5 2, so point is there, we'll put what? 0. So 8s are what? 168. Now we'll check for 7. 28 into 7, 196. 28. Okay, 28 5 528 are what? 146. Then here what? 14, here 88, here remain what? 4. Okay, 80, here remain what? 0. Okay, then we'll put 1 point and we'll bring what? 0. Then what? 80, 28 3s are what? 84. Let us check again this one. Okay, what remains? 20 or 24, 28, 128 divided by 128, not 154, 154, 154 divided by 28. Okay, 154. So 28 2s are 2 2s are 4, 56. Then 28 3s are 84. 28 3s are 84. 28 4s are 28 3 jar, we are getting what? 28 3 jar 78, 28 4 jar 112. Okay, then we are getting what? 28 4 jar 112, then 28 5 jar 140. Okay, 28 5 jar, we are getting what? 140, and 28 6 jar, let us check. 168 we are getting. Okay, 28 6 jar. So here remain what? 4. Then 5 minus 4 what? 1. So 140. So we'll put what? Point. Then 140. Then let us check for 140. It will become again what? 5. Okay, 140. Okay, you see 28 5 jar 140 and 28 6 jar, we are getting what? 28 6 jar 168. So it is greater than 154. So 28 5 jar 140. After that, if you subtract, then we will get what? 14. So we'll put 1 point, we'll bring 1 0, then 5 jar 140, 28 5 jar 140. Okay, so that is the answer. You can write 5.5. Okay, now come to CD. D, you see 80 divided by 80 divided by 80 divided by 32. Okay, then 32 80. So let us check 32 into what? 80 we are getting. So 32 into 2, 3, let us check. 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 96. And 32 into 2, 2 2 jar 4, 3 2 jar 6, 64. And 32 into 2 what? 64. Okay, now 10 minus 4 what? 6. Here remain what? 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, 16 not divisible, so I'll put what? Point. After that we will bring what? 0. Okay, now let us check with 0 is there, so let us check with what? 5. 32 into 5, because 5 to the 10 will get 0. 5 to the 10, then 3 5 are 15 and what? 16. That means we are getting with what? 5. 160. Okay, so that is the answer. 2.5. 2.5 is the required answer. Okay, now come to question number 2. Question number 2, you see question number 2, you see 2a, you see 6 divided by 75. Okay, so 75 6, so you cannot divide, so we will put 1 point and bring 1 0. Again also you cannot divide, so we'll take 1 0 and we'll put 1 0 here also. Okay, now check for this one. Okay, so here what? 0 is there, so we'll multiply 75 into 2. 5 to 10, 7 to 14, and what? 16. Not, then 75 into 8, let us check. 5 8s are 44. Okay, and 7 8s are 56. 56 4 60. That means with what? 8 you are getting. That means 75 into 8. 75 into 8 will get what? 60. Okay, that means you can write 0.08 is the answer. Okay, Now come to B. B, you see 17 divided by what? 68. 17 divided by 68. So check 17, 68. Okay, we cannot divide 17, so we'll put 1 0. We'll put 1 point and we'll bring 1 0. Okay. Now let us check with 68 into 2. 68 into 2, 16, and 6 2 are 12, and 1 13, 136, 136, and 68 into 3, 204. So it crosses 170. So 68 into 2, what? 136. Okay. Now 10 minus 6, 4. Here remain what? 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. Now we'll put point is there, so we'll take 1 0. Now we shall check this one. Okay. We shall check with what? 4, 3 already you have checked. Now 68 into 4, let us check. 27 to 272, then 68 into 5, 0, here remain 4, 630, 434, that means 340. With 5 we are getting, so 340. So we can write what? You can write 0.25. Okay. Now come to C. See what you see? 18 divided by 125. 18 divided by 125. Okay. So 125, 18. Okay. We cannot divide. So we'll put 1 point. Then we'll what? We'll put 1 0. Then 25 1 are 25. 5. Okay. Now you see 10. If we 125 into 2, then 5 2 are 10, 2 2 are 4, and 1 5, 1 are 2, 254. So for that reason, we put 25 1 are 25. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here remains 7 minus 2, 5. So not divisible. So point is there. We'll put 1 0. Okay. Now let us check with 125 into 3. 375, and 125 into 4. We are getting what? 500. Okay. So I think 4 is the last, and with 5 it will cross. Then 4s are what? 500. Then what? 0 here, 5. Okay. So point is there. We will put what? 0. Again 4s are what? 500. So we can write what? 0.144. Okay. Now come to D. Now we shall practice D. Okay. To D. What we are getting? 150 divided by what? 600. Okay. So 600 divided by 150. So it is not divisible. We'll put 1 point. Then we'll bring 1 0. Now it is divisible. So let us check with 600 into 2. 600 into 2, 0 0, 1200. 600 into 3, 1800. Okay. So into 3, 1800. So into 2, what? 1200. Then we'll get what? 300. So it is not possible. Point is there. We'll take what? 3. Now let us check with 600 into 5. 5 0 0 0, 5 0 0 0, 5 6 are 30. That means 3000. That means with 5 we are getting what? 3000. Okay. So you can write what? You can write 0.25. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3, you see, convert into a decimal fraction. That means we have to convert this one into decimal fraction. How? You see, you write 2 first, then you write what? 1. So it is not divisible, so we'll put what? Point, then we'll bring what? 0. Then 5 2 jar 10. Okay, then you can write 0.5. Okay, now come to B. Okay, 3B here, 3A. 3B is what? 1 by 4. So write 4 1. So we'll put point and bring 1 0. Then 4 2 jar what? 8. 10 minus 8 what? 2. So point is there, will bring what? 0. Then 5 jar 4 5 jar 20. So we can write what? 0.25. Okay, now come to C. See what is given, you see, 1 by 5. Okay, so you can write what? 5 1. 1 is not divisible, so we'll put what? Point, then we'll bring 1 0. Then 10. 5 2 jar what? 10. Okay, that means 0.2 is the answer. 0.2 is the answer. Now come to D. D, what you see? 1 by 8. So 8 divided by 1. That means what? We'll put what? Point. Then we'll bring what? 0. Then 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16. Then 8 1 jar 8. Here remain 2. So point is there. We'll bring what? 20. We'll bring 0. Then 8 2 jar 16. 8 3 jar 24. So 8 2 jar 16. So here 10 minus 6 4. Point is there 40. 8 5 jar 40. Okay, so you can write this answer what? Equals to what? 0.125. That is the answer. Okay, after that you come here. Okay, 125. Now come to, okay, today question number 3. 3D I have done. Now come to E. Okay, 1 by 25. So 25 1. So we cannot divide 1 by this one. So we'll put what? Point. We'll bring what? 10. Again also we cannot divide because the dividend is smaller than the divisor, because 10 and 25. So again we'll put 1 0. Then we'll bring what? 0. Then 100. Then you can divide 4 jar 25 4 jar 100. Okay, so we can write 0.04 is the required answer. Okay, so today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding the questions, so you can call me at night from 8 to 10. Okay, thank you very much.